Hello everyone. So today we will going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is sentences. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 1 Sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence ends with a full stop, question mark or mark of exclamation. Sentence क्या होता है? Group of words. तो बहुत सारे words का हम group बनता है फिर वो बनता है एक sentence जिसका एक complete meaning होता है. एक sentence हमेशा end होता है full stop से या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क से या फिर एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से. रिमेंबर, अ सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. एक सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है. अ सेंटेंस मेक्स कंप्लीट सेंस. एक सेंटेंस हमेशा कंप्लीट सेंस बनाता है. अ सेंटेंस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट पार्ट्स. सेंटेंस को डिवाइड किया जाता है सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट में. वर्ड्स आर प्लेस्ड इन द प्रॉपर ऑर्डर इन अ सेंटेंस एंड अ सेंटेंस मस्ट कंटेन अ वर्ब. When a group of words agrees with the above mentioned features, it is called a sentence. तो जब ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स इन सारी कंडीशंस को फॉलो करता है तो वो एक प्रॉपर सेंटेंस बन जाता है. Look at and read these sentences. Number 1, you are very lazy. Number 2, he is my best friend. Number 3, my brother speaks loudly. Number 4, he usually speaks German. Number 5, we wake up early in the morning. So all these sentences are written in a very proper manner. So they are following all the conditions given above. So they are the sentences. Number of words in a sentence. अब कितने number of words sentence में होते हैं? Like a sentence may contain any number of words. Sentence में कितने भी number of words हो सकते हैं. There is no minimum or maximum word limit for a sentence. किसी भी sentence की कोई maximum या minimum word limit नहीं होती है. Sometimes a sentence may consist of only one word. कई बार एक ही word होता है. Like for example, quick, stop, hurry, stay, come, leave. So these are one word sentences but they still make complete sense. One word है but complete sense है. तो these sentences given a command in a single word. तो ये किसी को आप command दे रहे हो single word में. The single word is a verb. और वो single word क्या है? Verb है, क्रिया है, action. Hence we see that verb is the most important part of sentence. तो action words, verb जो होता है वो sentence का बहुत ही important part होता है. Let's evaluate. Now make correct sentences with following words. Now the words are given to you and you have to make the sentences be these following words. So this you have to make it yourself. आपको कोई भी sentences बना सकते हो लेकिन words use होना चाहिए उसमें जैसे कि actor, sad. तो ये सब words हम उसमें use करेंगे. इन words से हम sentence बना सकते हैं. My favorite actor is like Abhishek Bachchan. So you can make any kind of sentence like today she is very sad. Doctor treats the patients. So like this you have to make the sentences. Now some jumbled groups of words are given here. Rewrite these sentences by rearranging them in a proper order. अब हमें इन sentences को properly arrange करना है. Like Pond jumped the dog into the. So you can write the dog jumped into the pond. Like here the bag against threw wall he. So you can write he threw the bag against the wall. Your bag this is. So is this your bag? Question mark. Now bridge over is a there a stream. So the bridge, there is a bridge over the stream. So likewise you have to do the rest of these sentences. Then rewrite this paragraph and use capital letters and punctuation wherever necessary. तो अब इस पैराग्राफ में जहाँ पर भी पंचुएशन मार्क की जरूरत है हमें लगाना होगा और जहाँ कैपिटल लेटर्स की जरूरत है वो हमें करना है. लाइक आई कैन टेल यू लाइक दिस, लाइक इट फर्स्ट शुड बी कैपिटल तो इट शुड बी इट. आई शुड बी कैपिटल. इट वॉज संडे. अगेन आई वॉज सिटिंग इन माई रूम विद माई फ्रेंड when suddenly we saw clouds of smoke rising in the sky. Full stop. There, T capital, was a big fire and people were running to the site of fire full stop. Then again C capital. Children were shouting for help. People, full stop. Like people brought buckets of water and we also joined them, full stop. V capital threw sand and water on the flames, full stop. T capital, the fire was put out after half an hour. So like this, you have to punctuate the sentences. Now the types of sentences. There are mainly 4 types of sentences. Types of sentences like an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. They state something. Declaration sentence means किसी भी declaration देना या कोई statement देना, information देना. That is assertive. Interrogative question sentences. That when you are asking the question, they ask a question. Exclamatory sentences when they show some strong feelings. Fourth is imperative sentences. They express a command, request or advice. जब आपको कोई command, request, advice show कर रहा हो तो वो imperative. So the first one is the assertive or declarative sentence. These are also called statement type sentence. Assertive sentence को हम statement type sentence भी कहते हैं. A declarative or assertive sentence states or says something, it ends in full stop. तो कोई भी assertive या declarative sentence जो होता है वो हमें statement देता है, information देता है और full stop से end होता है. Like for example, the class was full of pupils. I cherish every one of you. My mother bought a new bag for me. The donkey is pulling a carriage. Second comes your interrogative sentence. So interrogative means when you are asking the questions. So these are also called question sentences. Interrogative sentences ask a question. Interrogative sentence question put up करते हैं. They begin with a capital letter and end in question mark. Capital letter से शुरू होते हैं और question mark से finish. Like for example, where are you coming from? Is he your friend? What are you wearing? Who is your favorite teacher? That is. Then comes your exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences show strong feelings, expressions, or mood of joy. Sorrow, surprise, anger, cheering up, admiration, pity, pain, or fear. तो exclamatory sentence में कुछ भी हो सकता है. खुशी, excitement, कोई भी sadness, moods आपके बताए जाते हैं. They often use interjections like oops, hurrah, etc. और WH words like what, when, how. तो इसमें WH words भी यूज हो सकते हैं और आपके interjections भी यूज हो सकते हैं. They begin with a capital letter. ये हमेशा capital letter से शुरू होते हैं. They use a mark of exclamation after the interjection or at the end of sentence. तो वो हमेशा उसके end में exclamatory mark लगाया जाता है और even अगर interjection यूज हो रहा है तो interjection के just after भी exclamatory marks यूज होता है. Like for example, oh, that is excellent. You were amazing. You have really big eyes. Wow, you look smart. Some interjections are given in the box. Like these are the interjections. Hurrah, bravo, yippee, eureka, oh, alas, oh Lord, hey, oops, how cool, how cute, how, what, sucks, damn, good, heavens, wow. So these are the types of interjections that we mostly use in the exclamatory sentences. Then comes your imperative sentence. These are sentences that give a command, suggestion or make a request. Imperative sentences वो होते हैं जो कोई command या फिर suggestion या फिर advice देते हैं. Imperative sentences can be of 3 types. Imperative sentence 3 तरह के होते हैं. Kinds of imperative sentences. First is when you are giving command. It begins with a verb to give a order or command. कमांड दे रहे हो आप किसी को तो ये वर्ब से शुरू होगा. ऑर्डर दे रहे हो. रिक्वेस्ट, इट बिगिंस विथ रिक्वेस्ट वर्ड्स लाइक प्लीज, काइंडली, इससे शुरू होता है. सजेशन, इट यूजेस हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स लाइक शुड, मस्ट, हैव टू बिफोर द मेन वर्ब टू मेक अ सजेशन. और अगर किसी को आप सजेशन दे रहे हो तो आप यूज करोगे शुड, हैव टू, यू हैव टू डू दिस, यू शुड बी ऑन टाइम. तो इस तरीके से. Like first is command sentence. Command sentences are used to give instruction or order. जो command sentences होते हैं वो instruction या order दिया जाता है तब उसके लिए यूज होते हैं. The sentence begins with a verb. Verb से शुरू होते हैं, क्रिया, action से. It does not begin with a noun or a pronoun as a subject. तो वो verb से शुरू होते हैं, ना ही noun से शुरू होते हैं, ना ही pronoun से. Like for example, don't move, close the door, turn off the light, catch the ball, वॉक फास्ट, शट द डोर. तो ये सब कमांड्स हैं. ऑर्डर, कमांड, तो ये कहीं भी नाउन प्रोनाउन से शुरू नहीं हो रहे हैं. सेकेंड कम्स योर रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंस, जब आप किसी से रिक्वेस्ट करते हो प्लीज डू दिस वर्क फॉर मी, काइंडली कंप्लीट योर वर्क. रिक्वेस्ट सेंटेंसेज आर यूज्ड टू मेक अ रिक्वेस्ट. These sentences begin with words like please, kindly. They do not have a noun or a pronoun as the subject of the sentence. तो रिक्वेस्ट वाले सेंटेंसेस में आपका जो सब्जेक्ट वाला पार्ट होता है उसमें प्लीज काइंडली वाली चीजें होती है, ना कि नाउन प्रोनाउन. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज ओपन द डोर क्विकली, काइंडली ब्रिंग द बुक टू मी, प्लीज ग्रांट मी अ लोन, काइंडली कीप योर हैंड्स इनसाइड द विंडो, लाइक दिस. Now comes suggestion sentence. Suggestion sentence are used to give advice or make a suggestion. Advice या suggestion. These sentences are words like must, need to, have to, should, could before the main verb. So they begin with a noun or a pronoun as the subject of the sentence. तो ये sentences में words use होते हैं must. Suggestion दे रहे हो ना, you must do this. You need to complete your work. So have to, should, ये सब words को हम main verb के साथ use करते हैं. वो noun या pronoun में से किसी के साथ भी शुरू हो सकते हैं. Like for example, we should wash our hands before eating. We could go to a party after work. I could try to complete this puzzle. He needs to complete his homework. Like this. Now let's evaluate. Now write the kind of given sentences. अब हमें sentences given है, इसके हमें kind बताने हैं. Like I have a blue dress. तो ये normal एक assertive sentence है, क्योंकि इसमें आप एक declaration कर रहे हो या information दे रहे हो. Where have you been? Interrogative. Clean your room. Imperative. The dog has fleas. अब इसमें exclamatory sentence, क्योंकि इसमें exclamation का मार्क भी लगा हुआ है. So similarly, you have to do the rest of the parts. Now the next is make sentences of the types mentioned below. अब हमें sentences बनाने हैं जो हमें type given है. Like declarative sentences है, like the sun rises in the east. So it's a kind of declaration or information, so it's a declarative sentence. Second comes interrogative. Where are you going? Exclamatory. Wow, what a beautiful place or a scene. Imperative. Shut the door. Like this, you have to make the sentences. Then comes complete each sentence with correct punctuation mark. Then write what type of sentence it is. अब इसमें हमें करेक्ट पंचुएशन मार्क लगाना है और हमें बताना है कि करेक्ट सेंटेंस कौन सा टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस है. लाइक माय फेवरेट फूड इज अ बर्गर. इसमें कोई पंचुएशन की जरूरत नहीं है. सो हियर वी कैन दिस इज द योर assertive sentence. We have a Christmas holiday tomorrow. Again ये एक हमारा कल क्रिसमस का हॉलीडे है, assertive sentence है. Don't touch the paint. इसमें कोई तो don't touch the paint, that is your imperative. Order दिया जा रहा है. Wow, what a lovely day. Exclamatory. What a pleasant surprise. Again, exclamatory. Whose books are kept on the table? That is interrogative. Now comes the next. We have to rearrange the following group of words to make a meaningful sentence. Also put a suitable punctuation mark at the end of every sentence. अब इनको सबको हमें rearrange करना है और suitable mark इसमें लगाने हैं. Health, good, exercise, physical, forest. तो physical exercise is good for health. Mind both and activates body. So it activates both mind and body. At night, the deserts freezing are cold same. So, some deserts are freezing cold at night. Lie never she tells. So she never tells a lie. So you can similarly you have to do the rest of the parts of the same. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. You all can go through it once again and do the rest of the parts of the given exercises yourself. We will meet in the next video with the next chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.